Welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today, we're taking a motorcycle ride, sort of, a three-wheeler, around Key West, Florida. Didn't bring the motorcycle on the airplane with me, so I had to rent a little three-wheeler. So let me show you what we're going to be cruising in. Three-wheeler, two in the front, one in the back. Pop, what do you think of that little thing?
It's tight.
There's words from the Colonel. Okay, just want you to know we are at Higgs Beach in Key West, Florida. This is the Memorial Beach. So this is Solitude Restaurant. This restaurant is owned by the same people that own the Blue Heaven in town with the world's greatest key lime pie. And this is right on the beach at the park. So a great place to eat. The Casa Marina Hotel, the original hotel built by Henry Flagler. Restaurant, Louie's backyard, and next to that is Dog Beach. Rumor has it Jimmy Buffett had an apartment right over there. This is the southernmost house. It was the southernmost house at one point until the southernmost house was built, which is right next door. This is the southernmost house, and right next to it is the southernmost point. The best way to see the island is by taking a Conch train tour, and we have one coming right now. Truman Annex, one of the naval facilities here on the island. This is the back gate entrance. We're going to enter Truman Annex, the public portion where everybody can go. There's a new amphitheater that performers get to play at over here at the park, and as you can see, there's multiple things to do. There's a Coast Guard ship here you can tour, and we also have the opportunity to check out marine life preservation buildings, and we'll show you where those facilities are. See the Florida Keys Eco Discovery Center. It's free, open to the public, and you can check out all kinds of neat resources for marine life. Entrance to Fort Zachary Taylor. The Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary. A lot of work is being done to maintain the health of the waterways in the Florida Keys. At this intersection, you're going to see the entrance to the Navy portion of Truman Annex, where you have to go through the gate. US 1 ends right here. Behind me is the US Post Office. is Harry Truman's little White House. We're now on Caroline Street. To the right is the original Pan Am Airways office building, and at one time was Kelly McGillis's restaurant. Okay. Sloppy Joe's right behind me. Coming up on the right will be La Concha Hotel. It's a very tall hotel here on the island that's withstood quite a bit. So you get to see that in front of us on the right. Famous Pegasus Hotel, right over here. Over on Roosevelt, here where you come into the island. And that's how you get from the Gulf of Mexico all the way to the Atlantic Ocean in under 5 minutes. So if you're in your Key West and you're missing a motorcycle, you may have to rent a scooter or a three-wheeler. Not quite the same as my Harley, but we had a blast. And don't forget, subscribe, it's free. ring the bell. You'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And also, let's not forget to have some fun out there.